come through.
Good stuff. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're vibing with the vibrant B-Cat or
Cat.
BA Cat. And that's
BA.
for BA in what?
Bachelor of Arts
not
in
Bachelor.
Communication Arts and Technology.
Bachelor of Arts in Communication, Arts and Technology.
Awesome.
BA Cat. Got
So
it.
these are the BA Cat students from UTech, and joining us now to give us the inside scoop on Media Magnified 2025 is Ardeen Edwards and Akil Kelly.
Yes.
Correct? Welcome.
All right.
Relax.
I'm Akil.
Okay, first of all, what exactly, because it sounds good enough, like the MM 2025, the Media Magnified 2025, it sounds good, but what is it? And I believe that there's some kind of exhibition as well?
Yes, so Media Magnified is an immersive and creative exhibition that not only showcases the creative aspects of students, but also the technical side of it all, and it is fully 100% student creative, student-led, student-developed, executed, everything.
So why not carry the teacher for? I shouldn't bother carry.
Team assist.
They drove the car. Got it.
Tell us though what we should be expecting from this year's staging.
So from this year's staging, you should definitely expect a lot of creativity. We are creatives as well as innovators. So really just expect the unexpected. As I said, we are creatives and we always try to we've been around for 11 years and we always try to make each staging better than the last one. So, yeah.
Okay, Akil,
Yes.
each staging better than the next. So tell us about the category that you have, the category of projects that you have that will be displayed, and how is it different from the last?
So we have films.
Oh, Akil did it. She did it.
So for films, we have silent films. For documentaries, we have audio and video documentaries, inclusive of entertainment, environmental issues, social issues, and yeah, all of that.
All right, come
Oh,
on.
we have campaigns. We have
Videos, and we have prints as well. So prints are photo exhibitions as well as like novels that students wrote.
All right, Audrey.
Awesome stuff. Tell us who some of the speakers for this year are.
So our guest speaker is Gabrielle Blackwood. She is a cinematographer and a director.
On our panel, we will have Javon Gordon, Danger Harrison,
Jenmar
McFarlane,
and Deandra Harrison.
I just said Danger.
But Danger name the people probably.
That is very true. That is very true.
Okay.
So our other one is Aisha Wisdom.
Okay.
Sounds good. And I know everybody on the panel, so it sounds like a lot of information will be shared,
Yes.
gleaned. I like it.
And the audience will also have an opportunity to engage with the panelists. So we have Q&A segments and
Love that. So, okay, when, where, how much, where, all the good things.
It's
Details.
free. It's free. It's free
Pardon?
online. It's free. Free.
Clock that.
Free online.
Clock that. Clocked it. Clocked
It's
it.
free online and in person. Online you can watch on live stream UTech Jamaica, official YouTube channel.
Love
Yep.
that.
And in person,
It's at UTech at Lecture Theatre 50. 2
They
p.m.
are
to
like
5.
together.
Yeah, I know.
You guys are like
Finishing
organized.
some
No
sentences
talking
now.
over each other. Okay.
So we're going to throw to the audience a little bit now, just to find out what they do and what MM25 means to them.
so the audience, you mean like our target audience?
No. But them.
No, who?
Oh, them women. Oh,
Them.
sorry.
She's like, what do you mean audience? I got it.
No, you. Them.
All right, Heinz, look at Heinz. He looks poised. He's ready to go. He's like, let's go. Okay, Heinz, what do you say? What does it mean to you?
Media Magnified definitely means that I can show the work that I've been documenting over the time to show the skill sets that I've learned from the Faculty of Education and Liberal Studies, and to show also what I'm made of for the time that I've been there.
Yeah.
All right, pass it to your left for me. You, yeah. What's it mean to you? What's your name? What does it mean to you?
I'm Janelle Stevenson, and it really just means showing what is inside of me.
Aye.
So as Heinz says, everything that we've learned in the BA-CAP program put together along with everything that I am passionate about, so something that I can select on my own with no limitations, and I can do my own research and combine that with everything that I've learned.
Okay,
It's just a
excellent.
passion project for us.
So I know that it's the creative industry and technology, right? But do you guys have, and I don't know how to phrase this question, but try my best. Do you guys have an area that you're focused in on? Like, for example, you're like, no man, I don't know, podcasting is going to be my medium. Or you're like, no, I want to be a cinematographer. No. Do you have that kind of specification? Or are you like, no, I want to learn everything, I do everything? Anybody? Okay.
So we do learn everything, but I personally chose to do an audio documentary.
An audio documentary?
Yes.
So it's immersive?
Yes,
So I just
it
sit
is.
down, close my eyes and just
Yes,
listen
and
to
you're
it?
able to visualize everything and just feel it.
Wow.
Yes.
Awesome.
I don't know if that's the easiest one or the hardest one. All right.
Why exactly? So we're coming back to
Okay.
both of you now. So why exactly should media enthusiasts and professionals come to Media Magnified?
Okay, so as we said before, it's a student-led event. Therefore, our videographers, photographers, producers, marketers, hosts, they're all students. Everybody is students. So I'm
The
just...
future.
Yeah, we are the future. So we're just urging media professionals to come on now, see what we have to offer, see the creative minds in focus, and hire the people. Well, hire we.
Yeah.
Oh!
Now wait for
Oh, she said forget them, just hire us. But to be honest, you guys, you're beautiful, you're eloquent. I'm very impressed. Your teacher, Joshua Paul, and other sirs also in the audience. Congratulations, guys.
Big up.
Well done to the teachers and lecturers.
Our production assistant is actually a part of the
Dwayne.
program. Mr. Dwayne Marshall, he's actually a part of the program. And I had the privilege of listening to his audio documentary, and I was very impressed. I think it's excellent work. And if that is any indication of what we're doing,
And even the
Good stuff.
concept of,
Brilliant.
from the mind of the perpetrator. I love that idea.
brilliant. Something
Here
you
for
can
it.
talk to Mr. Paul.
Yeah, we need to talk to all on it too. 'Cause
Whenever
we
I like the
need...
grade, what I'm going to get.
Oops.
So quickly though, how can we find you on social media?
Well, you can find us on Instagram at Media Magnified JM. And of course, it will be live stream on YouTube at UTech Jamaica.
Awesome stuff.
Do you guys work together?
They're good. They're good. Everybody, please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday with much more buzz, vibe, and games. Stay safe. Not true.
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 What he said.
Big up on yourself.